Hi, welcome back to the Mosaic Moving Minute. I'm Dr. Andy Stinchula, Mosaic Spine and Knee Chiropractic, and I'm here today to talk, since summer is fast approaching, we're going to talk about a couple travel tips. Thought I'd start with driving, since that's what most of us are doing. A couple examples would be making sure that your back is supported, that your head is back. A lot of headrests seem to push your head forward, and that is not generally recommended, so there are a couple suggestions about that for the future, but making sure that your back is supported and that you're about this far away from the steering wheel with your hands at 3 and 9 o'clock, basically, instead of this and then slouching like this farther away from the steering wheel. And lastly, the height of your hips. You want to make sure that your knees are not a lot higher than your hips, because that can distort your back as well. I also recommend that people get out every hour or two and just generally stretch. A good way to stretch, is stretch your hip flexor muscles back here. Just stretch. You can get on a park bench or up against a wall or even the side of the car. And that only takes a minute to do that one. Trains, I imagine the same kind of arrangements that people would have to make, making sure that your foundation is proper. I often recommend that people either take a towel, a sweater, find some kind of solution to put it behind their back to make sure their back is supported. That would definitely go on a plane as well, since they're not providing pillows anymore. And the seats are usually made for much smaller people with not much leg room. As far as luggage goes, making sure that you use your core and the lift with two hands as much as possible, or get somebody to help you. That pretty much covers the general tips, and I would make sure that if you're having difficulties with any of this, that we should probably talk to make sure that there's not something else going on. And otherwise, I want to make sure that you guys have a wonderful holiday and a beautiful summer. Thank you.